Hello sir, my name is Madresania Harshad and my active learning presentation on basic of embedded system. Now I am starting my presentation. Here the slide shows the content of this PPT. Then what are the embedded system? An embedded system is special purpose computer that is used inside of device, a combination of hardware and software that forms the component of larger system. Component of embedded system. The first one is embedded hardware. It mainly consists of microcontroller with various peripheral ICs. Second one, embedded RTOs. RTO means real-time operating systems. All intelligent devices that perform complex function have an embedded operating system inside. Third one is device driver. The software that acts as a glue between the operating system and peripheral device is called the device driver. Fourth one is communication stack. If the embedded device is capable of communicating to the external world, it has communication software stack running on the top of operating system. Fifth one is embedded application. It performs the predefined function of embedded system. Then challenges. Precise engineering and design, low in cost, high performance, careful selection of chip and efficiency. In short, the challenge is to provide affordable, highly integrated device meeting stringent requirement for safety, security, reliability, availability, and at the same time keeping the cost low. Then embedded application. Here embedded application is useful to digital camera suite, printer suite, DVD recorder suite, set-top box suite, etc. Then automatic teller machine, cellular, telephone and telephone switches, handheld calculator, household appliances including washing machine, television set, microwave, oven, etc. Inter-TL guidance system in aircraft and missile. Multifunction wristwatches, medical equipment, programmable digital assistants, it's called PDS, measurement equipment like oscilloscope, logic analyzer and spectrum analyzer. Then PLC means programmable logic controllers. This is embedded globe. Means embedded system is useful in automobile, office, medical and imaging, aerospace and defense, industrial and industrial automation, home, mobile, IP network, wireless communication, central office equipment, etc. Then this is the application area. Here 3.2% is in home appliances, then audiovisual equipment, entertainment and education, personal information appliances, communication equipment, transportation related, factory automation, electrical equipment, medical equipment, commercial system and etc. This graph showing the percentage of these applications of embedded system. Then future trend. Adaptive cruise control, telemedicine, security, telematics, Bluetooth applications and etc. Bluetooth is an application of embedded system. Here Bluetooth is using embedded system like MP3 listening, voice hands-free, camera control, picture sharing, internet, print, voice chat, data exchange, game, etc. Then there is a conclusion. The word of embedded system is dreamer's paradise with unlimited possibilities. It makes controlling all the system around just by a simple gesture and the thing respond to you as if it was some magic. As microprocessors are becoming smaller and cheaper, more and more products are becoming smart with microprocessor embedded in them. Thank you.